I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Fusion cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side of the vehicle. Make sure it is completely empty to avoid anything falling out. Then, gently press inward on the tabs located on both sides of the glove box. This action will allow the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the filter housing. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular cover. Look for clips or small screws that secure this cover. Release them carefully, then gently pull the cover off. Now, you can slide the old, dirty cabin air filter straight out of its designated slot. Be mindful of any debris that might fall. Before installing your new filter, take a moment to find the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper filtration. For most Ford Fusion models, this arrow should point towards the rear of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits securely and is not bent or forced. It should sit flush. With the new filter in place, it's time to reassemble everything. First, put the filter housing cover back on and secure any clips or screws you removed earlier. Next, carefully lift the glove box and push it back into its original mounting points. You should hear or feel it click into place. Finally, test the glove box to ensure it opens and closes properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.